All right, so welcome to project number 3 of this Excel macro and VBA course. I want to show off, before you jump in and start recording and writing some Visual Basic, I want to show off or demonstrate the project that you're about to master and create during this section. So open in front of you, I've got a completed version of the project that I've created earlier. And here's the big picture. So a coworker has just given you this Excel workbook, and it contains 4 worksheets, but you're going to find out here quickly that it really doesn't matter how many worksheets are in here. But in this case, we've got 4. Now, each of these worksheets, they deal with the expense report records that we've been working with so far. They got east, west, north, and south. Now, within each of these, they contain expense records. They look very similar. Some worksheets have 14, some have 15, some might have more, some might have less, but some unknown number of records, but they all have the same columns, division, category, January, February, March, and total expense. They're all laid out the same way. What your coworkers asked you to do is to add headers to this document, essentially clean it up. Add headers, format the currency values, and do it for all of them. So whether it's 4 records or 4 worksheets or 100 worksheets, you got to go through and do that. Well, we're going to create a macro here that does it all for us in one button press. That's it. And we're done. Okay? So let me demonstrate it to you here. Now, I've got the 4 worksheets. I've already got the macros created. There's actually 3 of them. One that adds the headers, one that formats the headers, and one, the final one, 3, right? That does the loop to get it to happen for all of the worksheets. And I'm going to perform all this in one button press. Take a look. So I'm going to go up to my View tab. I'm going to go into Macros. I'm going to go to View Macros. This is going to show you the 3 macros that I've created and that you're going to create. I'll select the one called Worksheet Loop. This does the loop, and it calls to the other 2 macros to actually do the cleanup of the work. One button press here. I'll hit run, and I'm done. Take a look. East records, formatted, headers, currency, west, same thing, north, same thing, south, all in one button press. How much time can we save in using Excel, VBA, macros, get Excel to do the work for you? So follow along within this project, and you're going to see how to create this and master a few macro and VBA techniques.